friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel today too. If you are new here, welcome. Today we are going to talk about one of the best co-educational or mixed schools in the country. So you can imagine the school that we are coming to talk about today. Today we are going to talk about Kumasi Anglican Senior High School, also known as KASS. Yes, great KASS. Kumasi Anglican Senior High School is located in Asem. Is that the correct pronunciation of their suburb? In Kumasi, that is Ashanti Region of Ghana. So KASS is located in Kumasi. Little history. KASS was established in 1973 by the English missionaries. That is the Anglican Church we have. Let's move on to academics. Yes, so some people are asking, hey, KASS too, are they academically good? Yay, KASS, they've been performing very well. Academically, they've been performing very well. When it comes to the mixed schools in Ghana that has been performing well, you can think of the likes of Ghana National College, Achimota, Sinai High School, Mawuli School. Yes, you see, those good schools, good mixed schools that have been performing well in the country. KASS is good to the extent that they've been taking part in the almighty National Science and Maths Quiz and other competitions, other academic competitions in the country. KASS has been participating in terms of extracurricular activities like cultural display, cadet, fashion, modeling, whatever. You can think of any extracurricular activity. KASS, we did. Look at me as if I'm a student in KASS. So the school has laboratories for the sciences, ICT. Well, the school, let's talk about the school, the campus of the school. They have sporting facilities, assembly hall, dining hall, everything that a school is supposed to have, and a good school is supposed to have. Anglican Senior High School is having that facility. There are 7 houses in the school. So, as I usually do, let's look at some of the famous alumni of Anglican Senior High School in Kumasi. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. So let's focus on the main aim of this channel by enjoying some of the beautiful images from the campus of Kumasi Anglican Senior High School. Thank you.
Jimmy no come on. Atayo